Mortgage MarketSmart was built to make it easy to access market intelligence. To start working with Mortgage MarketSmart, you need to know your way around our application, and you need to know how to navigate our maps. Let's take a tour of the Mortgage MarketSmart menus, tools, and tabs. Let's begin with the Map Contents toolbar, located here on the left-hand side of your screen. Use the Map Contents toolbar to add, remove, query, filter, and change the data you see in the map. It's the heart of Mortgage MarketSmart. Each tab has a different role. First is the Maps tab. This is where you store all of your saved maps. You can also copy, rename, and delete them here. Then you have the Map Contents tab. Think of this like your desk, your workspace, your bucket. Everything you want to see in the map goes here. It's also where you access many of the various tools you will use to control how you see the data on the map. The Datasets tab is where you go to get all of your forecast, HMDA, and demographic datasets for the map. Think of it like your data store. Next is the Bookmarks tab. This is where you save, edit, and delete your bookmarks. Bookmarks save your map extent, or the geography showing in your map, so that you can quickly navigate to your favorite or common places easily. Here is the Markets tab. This is where you can customize the markets and territories that matter to you and apply them across any and all of your data sets. The Query tab is where you can build, edit, copy, access, and delete your queries. If you want to enter your own locations to the map, such as mortgage and bank branch locations, referral source locations, and even your originations by property address, you do it using the Locations tab. And finally, the Documents tab. Check here for forecast notes, important updates, and just about anything else we write about that we want to tell you about. Now let's review the base map and navigation controls in the map. First, if you look in the upper left-hand corner of the map, you will notice that there is a drop-down. This drop-down allows you to choose and change between base maps. Here is the Bing Roads map. You can also use the Bing Aerial map, the light gray canvas map, the Esri Streets map, and again, back to the Bing Roads, which is the default map. Next to that drop-down, you'll notice that there is a plus, which allows you to zoom in, and a minus that allows you to zoom out. On the upper right-hand side of the application, you will see the Map Control Slider and Navigation tool. This tool is another way to move in and around the map. You can use the different arrows to move east, west, south, north, and then you have a plus and a minus that allow you to zoom in, just like you did on the other side. In addition to these two controls, there are some keyboard and mouse controls that will allow you to zoom in and out easily. A custom zoom box can be used by holding the Shift key and drawing a rectangle with your mouse. This is probably the most efficient way to getting to the extent that you want to see. In addition to that, you can double-click with your mouse anywhere on the map to zoom in. And finally, to pan around the map, just left-click on your mouse and move it around. Again, these are probably the easiest ways to move around the map. The Admin menu is located in the upper right-hand corner of the application. The Admin menu allows you to access your profile, change and set map preferences like the default base map, which map you will see when you start the application, and other settings like query and market colors. The Admin menu also provides you with a quick link to our support section, which brings up our how-to videos and other documentation that we have. In addition, you can bring back the quick start splash screen, which you see when you open the application by clicking here. Finally, let's review the different menus in the Mortgage MarketSmart toolbar located within the blue bar at the left top of the application. To open or expand any of the menus, simply click on the triangle next to the menu name. Click on it again to close the menu drop-down. To the far left, you will find the Map Options menu. Through this menu, you will find the tools you need to print your map, export the map as an image file, and save your current extent as a bookmark. This is also one of the ways you can save your current map. Next is the Map Tools menu. By clicking on the Selection Tools item, you will open up the tool set that you use to create spatial queries, or in simpler terms, how you draw on the map to make selections. We will review the spatial query tools in a different video. The second item in the Map Tools menu opens the Query Builder, which opens the Queries tab of the Map Contents toolbar. Here you can build attribute queries to create a selection from or apply a filter to your data sets. The third and final item in the Map Tools menu is the Add Points tool. This tool allows you to click on the map to add point locations to the map, such as branches, loans, etc., which you can then save to a new or existing location group. We will review this tool in depth in our Adding and Working with Locations video. The final two menu items in this toolbar are the Reports and Manager Tools menus. In the future, each of these menus will include advanced analysis and reporting tools that are currently in development. The Reports menu will include multiple tools for creating customized reports, graphs, and charts. The Manager Tools menu will include our Market Comparison tool, which will allow you to prioritize and compare your markets based on the market behavior criteria that are most important to you, and the Goals and Resources Calculator, which will help you quantify market share goals and calculate the sales resources you need to achieve them. These tools are scheduled to be released in 2014. To wrap up this overview, I'd like to call your attention to the I icons you see throughout Mortgage MarketSmart. Clicking on this icon will provide you with more information, including definitions and instructions for the various terms and many tools within our application. Be sure to visit our video library often, as we release new videos that will show you how to get the most out of Mortgage MarketSmart.